Chris is too tall for this freaking car, bro. Guys, guess what we're in? Just guess. What do you guys think it is?
You started flooring it and my heart dropped.
I know, this shit kicked out easy, bro. We're actually in an M2 competition, guys. This is my first time ever driving an M2 competition. It has a roll cage. It has a crazy shifter in here. Here's the mod list.
Carbon winglets, carbon side grills, carbon duck lips, center caps.
We got everything.
Deflectors, tint, stage 2 tune.
Yeah, the list goes on, guys. Manual.
Spark plug.
This car has a lot done to it. It's manual transmission, which is really, really sick. It's the competition, so it actually has the F80 motor in it. That's pretty crazy. What is it, S55?
Yeah.
An M2 in this little ass car. So you can imagine how fast it is. Got the full roll cage and the seat delete.
That's why I can't move the seat.
Damn. Yeah, that's why Chris doesn't fit, because he's very tall. Like, it has the seat delete, all clean, leather everywhere. Bro, the seat delete is super clean. Look at that. With the fire extinguisher, all over Kevin.
The blue matches the...
Yeah, this car is really nice. And it matches me, G.
Rich.
I swear I'm matching the car right now. Look at all the blue accents. This shit pops a lot. But yeah, this car is actually for sale, guys, at 412. If you guys didn't know, 412 actually sells cars. 412 Motors, they sell a bunch of cars. Honestly, that's probably where I'm gonna list the GTR at for sale. So you guys might see it for sale on there soon, but anyways, they sell cars as well. Not only do they have like the performance shop, the wrap shop, all that stuff, but they also sell cars. But this thing's actually for sale right now, so he told me to test drive it. I don't know, maybe I'll buy it. Bro, this thing is sick. It's actually fast.
Yeah, I think it's faster than mine.
But yeah, they told me to take the M2 out, test drive it, let them know what I think about it. Also tell you guys that this car is also for sale, but dude, honestly, I like it. Maybe I should buy this shit. It only has 5,000 miles too. It's literally brand new.
You teach your girl to drive manual?
This would be a perfect car for Josephine. If I don't buy it, guys, you guys should definitely go check this thing out. This thing is sick.
Makes me want to put a cage in my F80.
Oh, it makes literally like a race car in here.
I feel like I'll put a white one on my red car.
Will you fit? This literally brings back memories, guys, for the F80. It feels just like it. Same motor, same steering wheel, same gearbox probably. Where? Oh, there's a cop. We're gonna get pulled over.
Officer, I don't even fit in here.
What, G? Is it fast?
You want my hands to start dripping, bro? Fuck this shit.
But this thing is actually very fast. It's tuned, right? Bro, what?
He's got straight armor.
You could drive down the street? There's no way.
No, he doesn't have his...
He has no plates, nothing.
Yeah.
And I was scared, bro. I was like, damn, we're in the cop territory over here. There's a cop right there. Bro, how is he driving the freaking Razor and not getting pulled over? Yeah, guys, the list goes on, dude. Coilovers, crane cuffs done. It's tuned.
GTS hood.
GTS hood on it. I'll show you guys the outside right now. The Studio R-Star roll cage. It has everything, bro. It's like perfect freaking M2 to buy.
Full PPF 10-year protection.
Oh, full PPF too? Sheesh. Look how clean this car is, guys. It's actually really freaking nice. Damn. Full PPF. Here's the exterior, guys. It's like that black with those sparkles in the paint. Super nice paint. And it's all PPF'd. Has a GTS hood. Bro, it's like the perfect M2 to buy. And it's the comp, which makes it even better. Because like I said, it has the F80 motor. Super freaking nice. So this thing is for sale right now, guys, at 412 Motorsport, 412 Motors. I'm gonna leave the Instagram right here. I think I'm gonna start reviewing a lot of their cars. They always have sick cars for sale, and I think I'm gonna start doing like little reviews on all the cars for sale. So that'll give you guys an opportunity to buy the cars. And if you guys wanna buy it, hit them up. You like it?
I'm scared for my life right now.
Why?
Nick's having way too much fun with this, and I'm shitting my pants.
Shit is badass. Well, it's just fast.
Yeah. Bro, this is a UPS truck, bro. You smoker.
Bro, Bro, this thing is really fast. Alright, we made it back to Colton too.
Thank God.
Fun little test drive. Bro, honestly, it's a super fun car though. Super fun. I've never driven an M2 in my life.
1 out of 10.
Bro, I had to give this thing like a 9, bro. I'm not even joking.
So
this
that
shit
means
is
you're
hella
buying
fun.
it. You're buying it. When I ask my customers 1 out of 10, if it's over 8, they're buying. Damn,
I
that shit
really
looks
think I would
clean
buy
as
it. Damn, we actually got the GTR washed right now too. Because right now we have to go for a little photo shoot.
Rich.
And I gotta show you guys the new merch. Anyways, like I said, if you guys want to check out this car or any of the other cars they have for sale, check out 412 Motors. Like I said, they also sell cars as well. What the? Here's the M2 competition, fully loaded. Here's the list right here if you guys want to screenshot it and check it out. But if anyone's in the market for a clean M2, definitely recommend this one. This one's fire, bro. FindingNick approved. This is the first M2 I've ever driven, and dude, I had so much fun right now, especially with that competition, the S55 in it. That is fire. Full PPF, 5,000 miles on the car, GTS hood. Guys, the list goes on. Check it out. And yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed that little test drive that we did. Like I said, they have a lot of cars for sale, and I think I might start doing that, like test driving some of the cool cars that they have for sale. Not only will that give us some cool content to film, but as well as you guys able to see the cars that are for sale.
Actually sounds good.
Bro, it sounds so good. You can hear the freaking turbos. We got the GTR all clean and washed, guys. It looks super freaking clean. Look at those wheels, bro. Literally like a mirror. We got it clean because we have a little photo shoot right now with the new merch drop, new t-shirts, a new skateboard, everything. Damn, rich. Looks so good, huh?
It's just shiny.
Super shiny, bro. Those wheels literally blind you in the sun. All right, we made it, guys, to the photo shoot spot. Like I said, we're gonna shoot the new merch today. Andrew came out. He's gonna shoot film, actually, so these photos are gonna look a little different than usual. It's not on a digital photography camera, it's on a film camera, so it has like that vintage style look. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be a vibe. I can't wait to shoot the merch. Here's a little sneak peek of it. As you guys can see right off the bat, it's already a different color than we usually do, guys. A completely different blank that we use. First time ever using this blank, and it's like a washed gray, an actual washed gray. It looks really, really sick. It looks vintage and everything. What do you think about the shirts? They look sick?
It's gonna match the film.
You stepped on it again.
What?
That big ass bug.
Holy crap, there's a big ass bug.
There's a lot of them around here.
Oops. Came out sick, right? Look at the back. Damn.
I know, I saw them before they were released.
Look, a girl could wear it too. Check this out, bro.
This is hard.
Andrew's first time seeing it, as well as you guys.
This is hard.
I don't know what you guys think.
I don't even skateboard, but I'd buy it.
Bro, it's so
Just
sick.
to hang on my wall.
That's all I was saying. So mainly we made them so people could put them up in their room or something like that. But you actually could skate it. It's a real skateboard, bro. Just gotta put some grip tape. I know we gotta put some grip tape, some trucks. Is that what you call it? I don't even know what you call it.
I don't know. But this is cool. I want to see like actually like someone shred this shit and fuck it up.
I know. I want to see someone skate it
Like
too.
all
If
the
someone
like
cops
the
one of these,
scratches and shit.
please make it into a real board, bro, and skate it. I want to see. Quality is insane, bro. Look at the wheels and everything. So sick. It looks just like the car, bro.
That's what's hard.
I know.
For 50?
Yeah, we have 50 boards. Last time we did on the F80, I only had 5 boards, and they sold out in, I swear to God, like 20 seconds, bro. Not even a minute, and all the boards were gone. So this time I made 50 of them, guys, and that is it. I'll number them 1 through 50. Yeah, I'm gonna sign them. I'll probably do my signature, and I'll sign 1 through 50. So all this merch is gonna drop on 4th of July, next Thursday, July 4th. So don't sleep on it, guys. These are gonna sell out so fast. Like I said, the last one sold out in 5 seconds, bro. The quality is crazy. You can even see the little sparkle on the chrome wheels.
You're gonna do hand delivery?
Bro, I might do that too, guys. It was super fun to do like hand delivery, so I'm probably gonna do that this drop too, in person, in the GTR. It looks just like the freaking car. One of my new favorite drops that we've done so far. But yeah, we got a skateboard. We also got a little sticker that again looks just like the car with the chrome wheels. Dude, same color and everything, dude. And then we got Live Fast stickers, which I want to put on. I don't think I'm gonna sell these. I might just throw these into the orders. I think I'm gonna do that, guys. I have 100 of these, so probably the first 100 orders, I'm also gonna throw in a Live Fast sticker. But you can put these on like your car. They look super sick. My homie actually put one on his R8. But these are like perfect for like cars and stuff like that. A lot of people have been requesting this, so I'll throw them in, guys. Only 100 of these are gonna go in the first 100 orders. Lastly, this is the t-shirt that we're dropping. Again, like a little washed tee. This freaking blanket is sick, bro. I love how it looks. It looks all like vintage and stuff. Then we got this. It's not even white. It's more like a kind of like a.
It's kind of like a
you know?
washed like.
Yeah, a washed
green.
Millennium Jade. And then the back got the GTR on it.
Damn, that shit looks hard with the car in it.
Bro, it looks crazy, right? It's literally exactly like the car, bro.
The
We got
wheels.
Live Fast. the wheels.
The wheels are hard.
This design is so freaking sick. So don't sleep on it, guys. They're gonna sell fast and they're gonna sell out. I gotta get Andrew one too before it sells out. He always asks me, and then they sell out, bro.
That's all right. I'm just gonna have to order it.
I know, dude. I'm gonna bring you one, I swear. Next Thursday, July 4th, we will be dropping all the new merch. 4th of July drop. I might throw in a little extra shirt design that I have an idea for. I might do another Go Faster drop, guys, involving 4th of July. That's your little hint right there. I might do it. I might throw them on and throw a couple on the website, but we'll see. Shout out to Andrew again. Shout out to my boy over there. He got all the sick ass footage too. We got a bunch of sick ass content. It's gonna come out fire. I'll leave their Instagrams right here. Look, we also put the sticker on it too. This is the sticker I was talking about, guys. These are gonna be on the website. I mean, I was gonna sell them at first, but you know what? First 100 orders, I'm gonna just throw them in for free. Anyone wants a Live Fast sticker, be the first one to order something on Thursday, and you guys will get a free Live Fast sticker. There's only 100 though, so you gotta go quick. Bro, I wanna see this on everyone's car and tag me. Everyone tag me.
What time are you dropping?
12 every single time. All right, guys, we're back home, back in the apartment. And we're gonna do another little house mod, bro. I feel like I haven't filmed anything in the house in a very long time. If you guys are new to the channel, this is the apartment. We moved in back in like February, and I did a little bit of like the DIY furniture shopping and like installing everything on camera in those vlogs. We did the TV, we did the couch, we did my desk setup, which I still need to add more to, but I just haven't filmed it in a very long time. So this is the apartment setup right now. It's still missing a lot of stuff. I wanna put something on the walls right here. I don't know, something on the walls, that's what's missing. Look, go subscribe to the channel, guys, if you guys aren't subscribed yet. We gotta hit 300K, bro, this year. Anyways, today we got a cool little mod right here. It's some more freaking lights. As you guys can see, we got a bunch of lights over there, and it's kind of cool. You can control it on your phone. And look, I can change any color I want. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I wish I was, but it's actually pretty sick. You can change it any freaking color, the whole house. And everything changes. But we're missing some over here, so today, we're about to install this little like rope light or something like that. Something like this. And that's actually gonna go along the kitchen right here. Then we also got a little P.O. box thing that I gotta open up as well. This is my P.O. box, guys. If anyone wants to send me anything like fan mail, your clothing brand, anything, bro. I've gotten sent like license plate frames before, little SVJ, you know, I get sent a lot of stuff, which is really, really dope. So if you guys wanna send me something, I'll open up on the vlog. It's a pretty cool little segment of the vlogs. Top spec in New York. Feels heavy, bro. What is this? Top spec customization. Sheesh, look at this. This is FindingNick and R35. Oh, this is for the GTR keys. We can put the GTR key on that. Oh my God, then we got Nick M3. I knew it. It says G80 on the back of this one. That is sick. So both of my keys could have custom keychains for both cars. That is fire, bro. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. On your YouTube journey, took the step to start my own side business. Congrats on the G80. Made this one just for you, Nick. Hope you like it. That's dope. I love seeing people start businesses, bro. This is a really good idea. I swear, making custom little keychains for people. Check out topspec1.com or top_spec1 on Instagram. That was dope. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you for that. Now, let's try to open this up and see if we get this. See if we can get this thing set up. Hopefully it's not that hard. I gotta show you this real quick for the G80, guys. Woo! What do you guys think is in here? All this stuff. What do you guys think it's for? And check this out. I'll show you a little sneak peek if you guys could. Oh, that's all I'm gonna show you. Some G80 parts that we need to install as soon as we're done with the wrap. Also, comment down below, what else should we add to the apartment, guys? Like, it still looks so empty in here. Bro, this looks like a lot of freaking work, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. I literally thought it was gonna be like some regular LEDs, but this is way more advanced. All right, I'm gonna try to figure it out. Once I get it figured out, I'll film the process. Wow, this is hard. I know it's gonna look good once it's done, but literally 3M tape. So you put these little rails on, 3M tape, and then you just slap it on. And we're pretty much making a track along the whole thing. Then you put the lights, and then you put the cover like that, and it diffuses the LEDs. It's gonna look sick, watch. Finally, it took about like, how long did it take, like 2 hours?
Not 2 hours.
Dude, it took so long, but it actually does look clean. It goes all the way along, and look, off, you can't even tell it's there. It's all white and clear. All right, you ready to see how it looks on? Hopefully it looks good. Are you ready? Dude. Damn. That's way better.
It looks so pretty.
That's literally what we were missing in the kitchen. It looks sick. Any color we want, guys. That's scary or what? That looks sick. So now we got lights over here and in the kitchen. The house looks freaking sick now. Holy crap, you seen that? Oh my God. That is actually sick. Look how crazy that looks. And it's cool because it has those covers so you can't even see the LEDs under it.
Yeah, it just looks like a big long strip of light.
Yeah, that's badass. There's so many little settings you can do. Anyways, that is fire. Remember guys, next Thursday, 4th of July, July 4th is the merch drop. Don't forget, mark your calendars, get ready. I usually do it on Fridays, but I'm gonna just do it 4th of July. I think it'll be cool. It's a big holiday. So yeah, don't sleep on it. Again, 50 skateboards. They're gonna sell out so freaking fast. They'll all be signed and all be numbered 1 through 50. So don't sleep on those. The F80 ones sold out so fast, and I know the GTR ones are gonna sell out even faster. And the design just looks so sick on the shirts, on the skateboards, the stickers, everything. So I'm excited for this drop. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.